Hello there, welcome back. Thanks for being here. So, in our last lecture, we have understood how to work with locators. We have seen wildcard locators, also, we have seen friendly locators. So, wildcard locators are something when we have a visible text to the element. So, we are basically relying on it with the help of curly braces, we are just directly identifying it. And on the other hand, the friendly locators are something. So, when you have a web element which cannot be interacted directly, so what we have done, we have just identified the closest element which has text or any identifiable locator. From there we have navigated to its relative position. So the Karate offers some of the methods such as above, near, and left off and right off. So based on these functions, we have considered navigating from the reference element to the relative element. So now in this lecture I have a new topic for you, so which is uploading a file. So we always struggle with uploading a file as far as any web automation is concerned, because file operation pretty much involves in the Windows interaction as well. Because if you just click on any choose file button in the web UI, so it eventually pops out Windows pop-up where you have to fetch the file from the corresponding drive in your computer, and then you click on OK. So these two actions are something which are Windows calls, and where Selenium has no ability to speak to. So in those cases, what we have done, we have had some of the workarounds saying that integrating our test script with some of the other automation frameworks which can handle Windows automation, such as VNC Viewer or AutoIT, or something else, Vimium driver for that matter. Or on the other hand, there is another workaround where you can do a send keys operation if the web element has an attribute called file, a type, and the values file. But now Karate has one by default function which is helping us a lot. So what you need to do is that just call that method and just pass the locator value as one of the arguments, and give and specify the path from where you wanted to fetch the file from. So that's it. The Karate will upload you the file. So let us see how that can be done practically. So to demonstrate that, I have a basic website which is herokuapp.com. So where we have upload functionality. So you can see that the behavior is that if I click on choose file, it is just opening me it is opening me the Windows pop-up. Let me just upload any one of the file, saying that stub data, and you can then click on upload button. So you should see the uploaded file name should be displayed here. So that's what the operation here. So let us achieve this through Karate. Let me create one feature file. Let me click on new and file, and I would call it as file upload dot feature. And let me just write down the common syntax feature to demonstrate the file upload concept. Scenario to upload a JSON file, and let me run the normal statement. Given, I need to configure the driver first. Given configure driver equals to, I need to specify the type. So I'll just take a pause here because I have something to explain you. Basically, when it comes to the point of uploading a file, so Karate has some prerequisites for us. So one of the first and foremost prerequisite is that, so you should have 0.9.6 version of Karate, because the input file method is not present in 0.9.5 version. So it is newly introduced in this version. So until before I was using 9.5. just for this lecture I upgraded my Karate to 9.6. please add this dependency. So all three, Karate Apache, Karate Core, and Karate JUnit, just make sure it is operating at 9.6 version. And the second thing is that, so this particular upload functionality will only work with Chrome, Chrome browser, because we know that Karate can launch in different browsers with the help of drivers. So if you wanted to work with Chrome driver, you have Chrome driver. If you want to work with Mozilla browser, you have Gecko driver. If you want to work with Safari, iOS Safari browser, you have Safari driver, and in a similar fashion you have Internet Explorer driver as well. But if you take the Chrome, which is a default selection by Karate, and it uses Chromium, it uses dev tools, it does not require any driver file as such. So right now the input file method is only supporting this particular browser, and I have no clue at this point in time whether they are going to support the other browsers or not. So I'll just have this information updated if I get to know something about it, but at this point in time it is very clear that this only works with Chrome. Okay, I'll also show you, demonstrate you what happens when I just give the Chrome driver. So now let me just navigate to the URL. We all know that the URL is heroku.com, and then let me just refresh the page and let me inspect this element. So first I need to click on the choose file. So let me grab the ID, and driver dot input file is the method. So it basically takes couple of arguments. One is file upload and another one is the file path. So input.json I'm giving. So if you actually ask me what is input.json, this is a file I have created at the target at the project level. So under the project Karate UI practice, I have a JSON file called input.json. It just has couple of lines, two keys called input and output, and the values are json.file. I'm just uploading this file. And one more thing you should understand here is that the input file basically takes two kinds of arguments. It can identify the file when you give absolute path. Also it can identify the file when you give relative path. But if in case you are mentioning the relative path, please make sure you add the prefix file dot colon, otherwise it will not work. If in case you wanted to specify the absolute path, just please from the drive, whatever the drive it could be C:// and the folder. So absolute path you can specify. If in case you wanted to work with the relative path, please make sure that you prefix the keyword file colon so that it recognizes. And after uploading the file, so we have to click on the file button. So let me just grab the value. So this is ID value, and let me click on it. So we have already seen that after clicking on that particular submit button, file has been uploaded successfully, and there was a message appeared too. So in order to do that, let me just upload a file. Yeah, so so at this point in time, let me just add a delay and run the script, and let me put an assertion after the first run so that you will understand what is happening. So let me run this as a Cucumber feature file. So it should launch the browser and route to the corresponding application, and it should pick the file and upload it. So now the file has been uploaded. But now as we just discussed, I wanted to make sure that I also put in the validation. Say for example, if I just upload this file, you can see that stub.stub data.txt, the file name has appeared here. So how do we verify after the file confirmation but this particular text is coming? So that is the purpose of any automation script. Ultimately you have to end up doing some sort of validations. So what I would do, I would just wait for this text to be present and wait for the text to be present, and this is the locator, comma, and the value is input.json, not the stub.txt, because the file that we are uploading here is input.json. So that is the reason I'm waiting for that particular test. Let me run this file. It should launch the browser, then navigates to the site, then picks the file and then submit it finally. You can see that the file name has appeared, and this time we have had some assertions too, and the test case got passed. And you can also add one screenshot. So let me just put a screenshot so that we will just go ahead and verify the report, how that report looks like and how the screenshot has been embedded to that particular step. File has been uploaded, and now if I just go to this particular location, when I open this HTML page, I should see the report. So this is the test case that we have executed, and you can see no failures are here, and the screenshot has been embedded to that particular step. So this simple it is in Karate to upload a file using input file. So as I just mentioned, it only works with Chrome. Just let us just verify what happens if in case I try to use this with Chrome driver. So it cannot somehow detect the method input file, and it cannot make it work, unfortunately. So you see you have a failure. No, it is not still successful. So the method got failed. It throws some exception. So Karate even has mentioned the same thing in the documentation. If you actually go to the official documentation and just search for the file upload concept, you can specifically see here that so this is only supported by the native browser, which is Chrome. Yeah, so this is the reason that they are supporting only Chrome browser. And also the thing that you have to remember in this particular lecture is make sure you have let me just put it in the notepad. So make sure you have Karate running at code.999.6, and second thing is make sure you prefix file while specifying the absolute path. And what else we understood? It only supports Chrome browser right now, not the Chrome driver as well. So these are the three things that we need to keep in mind when we are working with this particular concept, because that is how the Karate has limitations at this point in time. So this simple it is, guys, to upload a file in Karate. So it looks far easy and far better when we are working with normal Selenium frameworks, integrating with some other framework. So that's a tedious task. So I hope you have a good learning here, and you found this lecture very useful. So please do subscribe to this channel and share with your friends and help this channel outgrow. And please leave a feedback if in case you wanted something to be improved. I'll start working on that as well, because it helps my sanity as well, just to become more good at my teaching. So I hope you have been enjoying my lectures. Thank you so much, guys. You have a great rest of today.